Okay, so both NFTs are minted now. Let's see how it looks on OpenSea. Okay, it's showing 6. See, okay, great. So we have successfully generated on-chain NFTs and minted. You can see it on OpenSea also on a testnet. Now let's create a front end of it. Before that, just read this. Once we deploy, you're able to see your NFT on testnet.OpenSea. Once you have searched the newly deployed contract address again, don't click enter. OpenSea is weird, so you need to collect the collection itself when it comes up. Contracts are permanent, so whenever we deploy our contract, we are actually creating a whole new collection. You should be able to see how so new collection on OpenSea. That's what we're talking about. That uh, that's happened sometime with OpenSea. You need to close it and open it again. Here you can see the collection. There it is. So every contract create a new collection. So that's why these two NFTs are in these two collection. Okay, allowing users to mint. We are now able to mint NFT dynamically, and we have this function make an NFT, make an epic NFT that users can call. Lots of progress has been made. There's but there's no way of random people to actually mint NFT. All we need is a website that lets user to mint them themselves. Now we are creating a front end where users can mint the NFTs dynamically. User will come on that website and just click on my NFT, and they will able to mint NFT on using their own wallet. So that will be displayed on their account wallet. Okay, that's cool. Now let's move on to next step.